Hi, I'm Jameson Manwaring with Neighborhood Ventures. Thanks for taking a few minutes this morning. I'm here in Tempe Town Lake in Tempe, Arizona, and I'm by my old employer, LifeLock's headquarters. I want to talk about why I decided to co-found Neighborhood Ventures. I grew up around real estate. My dad's a real estate broker. My brothers have been involved in real estate investing as home flippers, and it's always been in my blood. After college, I ended up in New York at Goldman Sachs, working as a research analyst covering software companies and technology stocks. And I realized that as much as I loved the stock market and technology, those companies are like roller coasters, and the stocks go up and down very regularly. As fast as they go up, they come back down. And I loved my time in New York, but I always had this passion for real estate that kept coming up in my life. And when I was there, I ended up buying a 10-unit building and that was in my hometown, and it really reignited that passion. And this particular building needed a remodel, and so I ended up buying it and managing the remodel and really seeing it come back to life, and it was really exciting. If you're somebody who, like me, would rather invest in a piece of real estate that you can actually feel and see and touch rather than the stock market, drop the word real estate here below in the comment section, the words real estate below. Because that's what my experience was. Even though I was there, I was still drawn to real estate. One of the companies that I helped take public and be part of the process of going public was LifeLock, which is where we're at now here in Tempe. And after working with them for several years in New York, they asked me to come out and run their investor relations group here in Tempe. And as you may know, LifeLock was acquired about a year ago by Symantec, which was a great transaction for the company. And it really gave me the opportunity to decide what did I want to do next. And as I had that opportunity, I knew I wanted to do something in real estate, that would be my next challenge, next opportunity. One of the things that Congress did in 2012 was they passed the Jobs Act, which allowed companies to raise money directly from people rather than having to go public or go to the bank. And this is part of the crowdfunding legislation that was passed. And this really changed the way that you could raise money for a project, including commercial real estate. And for me, it really brought up the opportunity to do a commercial real estate crowdfunding company, because it allowed us to raise capital from everybody, not just wealthy people. Prior to this crowdfunding legislation, if you wanted to be an investor in one of these big commercial buildings, even a small commercial building, you had to be a wealthy investor or you couldn't participate. So as this opportunity came up to start something new, I knew I wanted to do something in commercial real estate, and crowdfunding was where I had a lot of passion because so many people could be involved. About 6 months ago, I met John Kabrowski, who's the co-founder, and he had the same passion. And now, fast forward 6 months later, and we just launched our first opportunity for investment. It's a 12-unit apartment building here in Tempe, just a few blocks away. And we're so excited to now have this dream has come to reality. So where as an investor, you can participate with as little as $1,000. There's no income limitation. You can be a shareholder just like anybody else. And now this dream has come to reality with this project. If you are interested in seeing what this new project is, write the words real estate below, and we will send you the information about this new project in a link. and you can see what the returns are, what our plans are, and you can participate with us. We hope that you participate and look forward to doing this project together.